Okay, while I'm mixing, I thought I'd give you a little tip because I've encountered this. And because it's so cold in here, so the ambient temperature in my studio is great, perfect for resin. I've got the heater going on and that's great. But my resin sits in the cupboard where it's cold and my jars are in drawers where it's also cold. So what you can do is you make it a bit easier because it doesn't mix very well when it's cold on cold. So what you do is you can do this. I didn't do this. I'll tell you what I did in a second. You can heat your little bit, a few seconds. See how it starts to okay, so that'll warm it up a little bit and loosen it up, and you can tell straight away that it's loosened up because the bubbles are coming up. So you can do that. I didn't do that because I didn't think, but what I did do is I heated up my cup, same sort of thing. I'm going to do it again. In and the cup. Does not take a long time, so it already feels warmer. And look at that, you can feel it straight away how it's thinner. So that's a little tip for you. So now I'm happy with how that's mixed. The sides, I'm going to scrape up the sides as well because there's some spots there. Don't want that. And I'm going to mix it in. And that is that done. There you go. That's another tip for you.